How to forget a Wi-Fi network on Windows 11. I'm going to show you 2 ways to do this. Let's go. Here's the first one, guys. It's really simple. The first way is to come here to the Wi-Fi icon. Here you need to left click with your mouse. Just click. It will show you the network you're currently connected to. Notice that next to the icon, there's an arrow. Click on that arrow and a list of networks will appear. Notice that for this network that's connected, I'm not going to click on disconnect here. If I want to forget this network, what do? I right click with the mouse, click, and here you'll already have the option to forget it. Just click. I'm going to click. As you can see here, it keeps trying to connect, but it already disconnected because it was forgotten. Okay? That's the first way. Now let's go to the second one. The second way is to come here to the search magnifying glass, click on it and search for settings. Okay? You can type settings. Once you've typed it, this gear icon will show up. Okay? Click on it and you'll come to this page. Here on the left side, you'll see the option Network and Internet. Click on this option. Now click here on this first option, Wi-Fi, and by clicking on Wi-Fi, guys, you'll see this option here to manage known networks. Here you can add, remove, or edit, so you can just click Done. Notice that next to the network, there's the word Forget. You can click it, and by clicking Forget, guys, it will remove the Wi-Fi networks that are connected to your computer, okay? On your Windows 11. So that's it. If I helped you, leave a like and subscribe to the channel.